Welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I will show you how to georeference Google Earth image in ArcGIS. So, the simplest and the best way to digitize any Google Earth image in ArcGIS is to first you need to add place mark. This is the folder I created, Google Earth folder, and now you need to take add place mark and place it accurately. And this is the latitude and longitude. You need to copy or you need to take a screenshot on this latitude longitude at the same time place mark, and you need to change the style of place mark. You need to select this type, it will be better, and place where you want to take such kind of place mark, at least 4, and you need to change the name. I'm naming it as 1, and I also want to take another as this, naming as 2. You need to take at least 4, and you need to take at least 4, and third one is, and the last one. And this is the latitude and longitude. This is 4. Okay, and then you need to take an image, save image. Take this image, you don't need to legend. Okay, these are the 4 image. Save image as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Save. The image is saved successfully. Now you need to open this image in ArcGIS. Properties. The first point, latitude and longitude, is this. Now you need to open this image. Add. Okay, these are the image added. As you have 4 points, point 1, point 2, point 3 and point 4, and at the same time you have the latitude and longitude of these 4 points, so you can easily georeference this image if you wanted to. And and now what you need to do is, this is the point 1. Click on Georeference, add control points, and then click on this and input longitude and latitude. You know the longitude and latitude of each point when you are taking the point. This is the latitude and longitude of point 1, and in the same way you need to give latitude and longitude, then OK. And as per the easiest georeference process, in that georeference process is also available in my channel. You can see it from there and you can georeference easily. Thank you so much. for seeing this video till the end, and this is the unique video in the YouTube. So please like this video and share among your friends, and of course please comment me if you have any query or any suggestions to me, and of course please subscribe my channel understanding RS-GIS and geography, and click on bell icon for more videos notification from my channel. Thank you so much.